Hello, this is your girl Pam with Pamshairexpo. I'm going to show you how to do the fishtail braid tutorial. I think what it is that once you get your grip down pat, then everything else would pretty much flow easy because you're only pulling the hair from side to side, but the grip part is what sort of gets you. It's the grip, It may take some practice. You may get it on the first try. I don't know. But I'm sort of used to braiding, so I had been doing the fishtail maybe about 20 years. I've been braiding for 29 years, but when I first started, like I said, with the fishtail, it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. I guess, like I said, because I was already braiding. But I hope you guys get something out of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide the hair into two even pieces. And so what we're going to do is you want to take the hair from the back. And you take the hair from the back, you pull it around to the other side over here. But what you're going to do is after you pull it around to that side, you're going to use the right side to hold that down. So the same side that you pull the hair from, and once you put it over on this side, you use that same the thumb from the same side, and you hold it down. Make sure you pull the hair from the back. So you pull the hair from the back, pull it over to that side, using your thumb, and you're holding it. So you're just going to rotate side to side doing that. Like I said, the same side that you pull the hair from is the same side that you want to hold it down with. Once you start to go to the other side. So if I'm pulling from my right side and I'm pulling it over to the left, as soon as I get my grip and I put it over here on the left, I'm going to put my hand back on the ponytail, but I'm still going to use the right side because I pulled it from the right side. So I use the right thumb and I put my finger on it to hold it so I can go to my next one. When you go to the next one, like I said, you're pulling the hair from the back. The hair is coming from the back and you're pulling it around. Some people continue to hold on to the hair when they pull it around. Some people pull it around and then let go and then they put their thumb on. So if you're comfortable gripping, continuing to grip the hair and pulling it around and then putting your thumb on it, then do that. If you're not comfortable with that and you just want to pull it around and you want to let go, then that's left up to you. But either way it go, like I said, whatever part of the hair you pulled around, that's the thumb you're going to use on that same hand. So like I said, I'm pulling from the right, holding it with the left, but I'm coming back with holding it with the right because that's where the hair came from. So now let me go ahead and go on down the braid. As you can see, my braid is forming. Like I said, you want to try to use as best as you can, even amounts of hair. Every now and then, if the hair gets tangled, just pull it, you know, straight. Once you start to get to the bottom, it may start going just a little bit faster since the hair is thinning on out and you're almost done. So I'm going to stop right there. And I'm going to put a rubber band at the end. And voila, you have your fishtail braid. And this is the back part of the braid, which still looks just like the front. And sometimes you, like if you want more volume to the braid, what you can do is just go ahead and pull it out a little bit at the top. If you want to get a little bit more volume to it. Now I did this braid like super tight, so there's not much I can really pull from it, but sometimes you may want a little bit more volume to it. You want it to be look a little bit more thicker, so you might want to pull it out a little bit, which is totally fine. That's still gorgeous too. So that was the fish braid tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I love you and peace.